In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block or unblock someone in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to create some breathing room in your digital workspace or simply manage your contacts more effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have full control over who can reach you in Teams. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams using either the desktop app or the web version. Once you're in, you'll see your usual dashboard filled with chats, channels, and teams. Let's begin with blocking someone. Suppose there's a person you'd like to stop receiving messages from. Start by finding their profile, which you can do by scrolling through your chat history or typing their name into the search bar at the top. When their name appears, hover over it, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear on the right-hand side. Click on those dots to open the Options menu. From here, select Block. That's it. The person is now blocked. You won't receive any new messages from them, and they won't be able to contact you until you decide otherwise. It's quick, clean, and gives you the control you need. Now, what if you want to reverse that decision and unblock the person later? The workflow is slightly different, but just as simple. Go to the top right corner of Teams and click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, choose the People section. Here you'll see an option called Manage Blocked Users. Click on it, and you'll get a full list of everyone you've blocked. Find the contact you want to restore, and next to their name, click Unblock. Once you confirm, their ability to message you will be reinstated, and you'll be able to continue your chats as before. If at any point you get stuck, Microsoft Teams has a built-in help feature, which you can access by clicking the question mark icon. It provides guides, tips, and troubleshooting resources that can walk you through any issue. And there you have it. You now know how to block and unblock someone in Microsoft Teams using the right workflow. This small but powerful feature can help you maintain a more organized and stress-free digital environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more practical Microsoft Teams guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.